Everyone, welcome to another brand new video. Today I'm going to teach you a very important thing, which is how to disable or block adult websites or adult sites in the Google Chrome. Intentionally or unintentionally, we always go to adult sites, but we shouldn't. So this is the way through which you can easily block or disable adult websites in your Google Chrome. So we have to first come to Google Chrome, and in the right hand side corner you will find three arrows. Click on the three arrows. Uh, it is the updated version of the Google Chrome, so you will find no settings here. But in the old version, you'll find settings here, somewhere. But in the updated version, you have to go a little bit down. So here you will find settings. Click on settings, then click on privacy and security. Then come down, click on security, and here you'll find secure use secure DNS. From here, there is given OS default. We'll go to family filter, clean browsing. We'll click on clean browsing, family filter. So see, through now, no error website will show in your Google Chrome. So within a very few process, you can easily uh, block or disable the error website from your Google Chrome. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and do let us know in the comment section what kind of videos you like, and please share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.